Hi, I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. I'm happy you're back. I missed you while you were gone. The fact of the matter is, it's earnings season. You're back for that. You're back for the money. I don't blame you one bit. That's what I'm here for, too. I'm here to get a better portfolio, my friend. I'm here to get some gains, get some financial gains. Delta Airlines reported earnings today. EPS of $1.57 beat the street by 3 cents. Revenues of just over $11 billion beat the street by 20 million. Not bad. Up 5.5% year over year. They had a 1.9% increase in unit revenue. Right on. Delta, some of these numbers aren't too bad. Their carrier load factor improved 150 basis points, but their cost per available seat, that was up too, 4.9%. So costs, we don't like costs going up. That's not a good way to run a company when your costs keep going up and you're not making more money. Now, their revs were up, right? EPS was up, beat what the estimates even were. But let's face it, anytime costs go up, you want to say, Delta, did you not see this coming? And that kind of leads me to my next point. When you don't hedge your fuel because fuel prices are fairly low, you end up sometimes suffering the slings and arrows of your judgment calls. Fuel prices apparently got a little high for Delta because in this past quarter, the cost of fuel went up 14%. That is a pretty significant jump in fuel, and that's what happens when you don't hedge fuel, and a lot of airlines right now aren't doing that. Fuel's cheap enough. They're hoping to buy it on the open market at a good price. They're getting dinged up something to the number of 14%. That's a hefty fuel charge. I'm not going to lie to you. So Delta Airlines had a decent earning call, but it was nothing fantastic. So as far as earnings season goes getting kicked off, I thought I was going to have more news, but I do. I do have more news in this story. Delta also said in their earnings call, they expect their deal with Bombardier for 75 C-Series mid-sized jets to go through. They said they don't think Boeing has enough of a case in an appeal. They think if they take this to appeal, they're actually going to still be able to get all these planes that they bought way, way below cost. Anti-dumping violation, right, Boeing? You know what I'm talking about. But Delta doesn't see it that way. They don't think Boeing has the case for it. They think they're still going to get it sans the 300% tariffs. They think the government's just going to waive this. I would be surprised, to be honest with you. I think Boeing's case is right on the money. It's not Boeing's problem that they don't make a plane suitable for Delta Airlines, because that was Delta's case and that was Bombardier's case. Boeing doesn't even make this mid-sized jet anymore. Well, so pay full price for stuff. If you think the C-Series is so good, you want to buy 75 of them, you're sure happy to buy them when they're super cheap and then fight about it afterwards. Why don't you buy them for the actual retail price? Do Bombardier a solid and get that plane moving off the storage lot before that thing's 1,000 years old. That thing's going to become a relic before there's any C-Series in the actual air. So Delta, during this earnings call that wasn't the greatest, that beat on earnings and beat on revenues, said some stuff that I kind of thought was a little bit delusional, to be honest with you. I do not think in early spring they're going to start receiving deliveries of these Bombardier C-Series planes with no tariffs involved. You might want to ask your licensed professional financial advisor, not listen to me, but I don't see it in the cards. I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, give a thumbs up for this video, leave a comment. Let us know what you think about Delta's earnings call. Let us know what you think about this Bombardier deal, and if you actually think there's an appeal process against Boeing that's worth its weight in anything. I'm not entirely sure if there is. I was good seeing you, though. I love this little thing that we do all the time. I hope you come back again. Have a nice day.